Bitcoin's shift towards technology, stocks, and its future potential. Jeff Kendrick, an analyst at Standard Chartered, recently highlighted that Bitcoin, BTC, has been behaving more like technology stocks rather than traditional financial assets. Over time, Bitcoin has evolved beyond being just a digital currency to become a strategic component of investment portfolios, similar to tech stocks. This observation suggests that Bitcoin is being viewed as more than just a digital asset and is increasingly being recognized as a potential investment vehicle for investors looking to diversify into new asset classes. Bitcoin's role as a protective asset during traditional financial crises, such as the March 2023 Silicon Valley Bank (SVB) collapse, has become even more significant. Standard Chartered noted that Bitcoin showed resilience during such events, acting as a valuable hedge against the negative effects on traditional financial instruments. During the SVB collapse in March 2023, Bitcoin gained value while traditional assets struggled, further solidifying its position as a safe haven in times of financial distress. This event highlighted that Bitcoin can serve as a reliable hedge, offering protection during times of economic turmoil. Bitcoin and global markets, protection against U.S. isolation. As global financial uncertainties rise, Bitcoin's role has been further emphasized, especially amid global stock market sell-offs. Standard Chartered observed that Bitcoin might serve as a hedge against what they term U.S. isolation. This means that Bitcoin could be used as an alternative store of value during periods when the U.S. economy faces isolation from global economic interactions. This expands Bitcoin's role not only as a digital asset, but also as a protective tool in various financial scenarios, offering new opportunities for investors to diversify their portfolios. Jeff Kendrick argues that Bitcoin functions as a protection tool for investors, not just as a speculative asset. This shift indicates that Bitcoin may become a more widely accepted asset for protecting value during times of economic uncertainty, expanding its utility beyond digital currency to become a crucial component of modern investment strategies. Bitcoin and Mag-7B, a new investment vehicle. Jeff Kendrick previously suggested a hypothetical scenario where Bitcoin could replace Tesla, TSLA, in the Magnificent Seven Index, a popular tech stock index. In this scenario, a new index referred to as Mag-7B would emerge, incorporating Bitcoin as part of the tech sector. This idea suggests that Bitcoin could be considered alongside traditional technology stocks, offering investors exposure to the cryptocurrency as part of their tech stock investments. The advantages of the Mag-7B index would include Bitcoin's potential to offer higher returns while maintaining lower volatility compared to the original Mag-7 index. This positions Bitcoin as not only a digital currency but also a viable alternative for tech-focused investors, contributing to its growing acceptance in the broader financial ecosystem. Bitcoin's price potential. 85,000 and beyond. Kendrick has also made future price predictions for Bitcoin. Following employment data releases, he predicts that Bitcoin's price could surpass the critical $85,000 mark. This breakthrough could pave the way for a potential return to $88,500, a level expected to be reached in the upcoming days. Such a price movement would be a positive signal for Bitcoin investors, as it could further attract new investors and solidify Bitcoin's place in the market. Looking at Bitcoin's price volatility, investors are likely to integrate both traditional financial assets and digital assets like Bitcoin into their portfolios, managing the risk and return dynamics carefully. The potential price growth of Bitcoin suggests that it could become an even more attractive investment option for those seeking exposure to both technology stocks and alternative assets. Bitcoin's future, a convergence of traditional finance and technology. Standard Chartered and Jeff Kendrick believe that Bitcoin can serve multiple purposes within investor portfolios, acting as both a hedge against traditional financial risks and a proxy for technology stocks. This evolving role is setting the stage for Bitcoin to be more widely adopted as an asset class in the future. As investors increasingly recognize how Bitcoin can function as a store of value during economic uncertainty, it is expected to gain more traction and acceptance, further integrating into traditional investment strategies.